Hi guys, it's Michelle from Lacquer Lever, and I am back today with 3 stamping polishes from Beauty Big Bang. So they sent me a gold to test out, which is number 011 or 11, I guess. They sent me a silver to test out, which is 008. And they sent me this beautiful kind of springy green to test out, which is 003. My basic stamping wardrobe, like if I had to pick 4 colors, I would pick white, black, silver, and gold, which is, so this is perfect. And I love this coming up in time for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, so for my stamping test, I'm going to, of course, use a clear stamper since those are the most finicky, and we're going to see how that goes. And I'm going to use this image here, which is from the UberChicBeauty Got Chevron 2-plate that just released. All right, let's start out with the gold. This is a very rich, shimmery, metallic-y gold, and you can see that it shows up beautifully over both the black and the white, and that just is great stamping quality. And now let's try the silver. And here is the silver, and again you can see beautiful coverage over that black and the white, great stamping quality, excellent coverage. All right, and then finally we're going to do the green, which again is 003. You can see that stamps really well over the black, over the white, just really gorgeous. A little bit of smudging, that's from my scrape, not from the quality of the stamping polish. You can see that's just really nice. Very good coverage for a cream, top notch. Okay, I literally finished testing these out less than a minute ago, so let's see how they hold up to being top coated. All right, let's take a look. You can see there is no smearing at all. It looks like there's some smearing right here, but they're not. That was there from before. That was just my application when I stamped. So if you look closely, you can see that's not actually smearing from the polish at all. Then here's the silver, and you can see no smearing. No smearing. And then the same thing with the gold, and I really love how rich this gold is, especially once you top coat it. It's a very like deep, rich kind of gold, and you can see no smearing. So these are 3 really great stamping polishes from Beauty Big Bang. I definitely recommend them. I will link down below, and thank you for watching. Rip, tear, shred, rip, tear, shred, rip, tear, shred, rip, tear, shred.